A happy afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Soft Skills training session. And today's topic, and even yesterday, 2 days back onwards, we are discussing the same topic, that is self-introduction, and in a practical way. Okay, we are learning how to give self-introduction practically. Okay, instead of theoretically. Okay, so everybody, hope everybody is fine, happy, healthy. Good. So, yeah, I got in the chat box. I received like a good afternoon, ma'am. Happy afternoon, ma'am. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So, yesterday I promised you, I think that today's session will be opening with a story, right? So, let's go with the story. The story goes like this. Once upon a time, there is a small girl of 3 years old, a girl, a small kid of 3 years old, and she is at home. A 3-year-old girl, she don't go to school. She is at home, and by evening, when father comes back from office, the girl obviously want to spend quality time with father, but father is having so much of work, so he said, "My dear daughter, please don't disturb me for some time. Let me finish my office work, then I join you to play." Then the girl, she gets convinced somehow, unwillingly. Then finally she goes back, and after some time again she comes back to dad. Dad, let's play. Then again father says, "My dear, see, I did not complete my work, so better you please wait some time. The moment I finish my work, I'll join you." But a 3-year-old girl who is waiting from long back for father, okay, she somehow managed for one time. Now this time she don't want to. Okay? But still, father, what poor fellow, he wanted to convince that girl, but she is not convincing, because a 3-year-old, what she can understand, for her understanding, that itself is a great thing. So this he tries to convince, but she is not at all convinced. And finally, what he does is he just have a look on the teapot. He finds a world map. What does he find? He finds a magazine with world map. Then immediately this gentleman, he will tear that paper of the magazine, which is having a world map, into small pieces, and then gives to into pieces and gives to his 3-year-old daughter and says, "My dear daughter, the moment you set this world map in the correct order, the next moment I'll join you." This is the condition put by that girl's father. This girl, she looks at her father, and again she is surprised. What is this? But still, she takes all those pieces of papers and move to her play area. Father, he feels very happy. Thank God, I'm successful in convincing my daughter somehow. And again, he is at work. He continues with his work. And within no time, within 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes of time, he thought, okay, for today I'm free. Whole day, whole night I can work with my office work and all. He thought. But surprisingly, the girl is back within 5 to 10 minutes of time and calls dad, "Dad, I'm done." First shock. Okay, father is totally shocked. "What? You completed setting the world map, right?" "Yes, Dad, I'm done. You come and see." Then she holds her hand and takes her father to her play area, and she shows the world map. This father is unbelievable. See, a 3-year girl, what does she know about the world map? Then finally, this father asks, My dear daughter, how were you able to do this? Then daughter says, she turns the world map backside, all the piece of papers backside. There will be a human being photo, a picture of a human being. It's a magazine, right? A picture of a human being. She set right all the body parts. A 3-year-old girl, she can do that. Okay, she set right all the body parts of a human being. She got the complete shape and she turned the papers, piece of papers back. She got world map. Okay, this is a small story. Now, I would like you to ask, what did you understand from the story? I want your responses in the chat box. I welcome your responses. Let me just unmute. Let me just give you everybody publicly. Right. Yes. Think out of the box. Correct, Varun. Yes. Thinking out of the box. And okay. And what else do you understand? What message you got? There are many ways to success. Yes, to success. Okay, there are many ways. You somehow, yes, that is also one message. And others. Others. Yes, I want responses in the chat box, please. Sorry, extremely sorry. Now, am I audible? Okay, okay. You people heard the story? Clarification, please. Did you listen to the story? Did you listen to the story? Yes. Okay, you are able to listen to the story. Okay. You heard the story. Good. Okay. Thumbs up, please, if you have listened to the story. Yes. Thank you. Right. Okay. Then you heard the story, luckily. Fine. So tell me, what is the moral of the story? Yeah. A few seconds back, you are muted. Oh, I see. Maybe. Right. Thank you, Ma. Thank you for 84. Right. So tell me, what is the more of the story? Okay, one should have a strong zeal, one should be committed, and what else? And what else? If from one side is impossible, then try to solve it from the other side. Okay, don't judge a book by its cover, right? And its size also, 3-year-old kid she is, right? And keep on try until success. Okay, good. And yes, very good responses I'm receiving from you people. Yeah, it reflects that you are listening and you are active and even you are trying to be proactive. Good. Okay, good. I liked it. We should first accept the challenge. Keep on trying until we should try first accept the challenge and automatically achieve and solve it. Okay. If we put work on mind, it gives amazing result. Okay, good. Okay, yes, very good. 483 and for yes, if anyone for G9, if one way is closed, don't quit. move on. There are different ways to success. Yes. See, we need like to just put 1 foot far, one foot ahead. That's it. Okay. Later on, if we just move on, automatically we will find the path. Okay. Potentiality is correct. And 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 what else? That's all. If we have interest, we succeed. Okay, good. Yes, we should have interest. Without that, I say we can't. Yeah. And any more else? That's all. Okay. Okay. Go with all possible ways. Yes, we have to try. Every method we have to try, and one or the other way we will be successful. Okay. Yes. Go with all possible ways. Don't underestimate a person, right? Never. We should never underestimate. Even from any person, any individual, even from a criminal, even from a beggar, or even from whatever the profession he is, okay, there will be definitely one point which we should learn. Okay, whoever it may be, a child or an elderly person, there will be certainly one or the other point which we should learn from. Okay, from them. So we should never underestimate people, right? And trust that her father will come to play with her. Should have trust and believe. Oh yeah, okay, good. Yes, for 85. Trust that father will come back. Okay, and that's all. Okay, fine. So let me tell, that is your perception, and let me tell that is correct. Okay, let me tell you my perception. If we want to bring any change in the society, first an individual should change. If we have any problem in the society, yes, if we have any problem in the society, okay, first an individual should try to solve the problem. I tell you, see that girl, see, world map is disturbed. She set right first the human being picture. Automatically, world map is set. In order to bring any change in the society, if every individual is trying to set himself properly and move towards a solution of that solution towards a problem, automatically the world will set right. Yes, yes or no? So if in order to bring any change in the society, first of all, we individually we should change. Then we can change automatically. Every individual thinks like that. Obviously, there will be change in the society. With this opening remark, I would like to start today's session. Okay. So now let us apply the same application part now. Let us apply the same to our lives. Okay. Let us say like a student life. Okay. We have to change. We have to change in order to get placed in the companies as early as possible. As early as possible. If we think that, oh, that is not good, oh, this is not good, then how can I achieve nothing? Nothing should be in the middle. There should not be any obstacle. If any obstacle is there, you have to overcome it. That's it. But ultimate goal, focus. We should change. We should change in order to set ourselves to the world. Okay. So with this remark, let's start. Yesterday, I have received to my personal number some what can I say, self introductions. I felt very happy, very encouraging even, and they were really good. Okay, the self introduction, whatever they have drafted of their own. Okay, it was really very good. You go ahead. I did not remember the few names those who have sent, but I responded. Okay, I have gone through and just responded. If any changes were there, I made some changes also. Otherwise, I said it is good. Okay, you can go ahead. And Sahit yesterday, he wanted to give a personal self-introduction once again in the class. Yeah, we welcome him. But let's give one more chance whenever he is ready. Okay. Now, what about today's session? Who's going to be the first person? who is going to give a kickstart to today's session? Who is going to give a kickstart to today's session? You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. May I know who are you?
I'm Gopi from IT, ma'am.
Sorry?
Gopi, ma'am.
Oh, Gopi. Fine. Okay, Gopi. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you, Gopi. I'm also doing good. Very good. You are prepared for self-introduction, Gopi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So you started availing this COVID lockdown in a proper way. Stop it.
Yes.
Okay, okay, Gopi. Go ahead. All the best. Let's give a round of applause to Gopi in the chat box. Yes, Gopi. All the best, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, everyone. This is Gopi Nagsairam. I am currently pursuing 4x4 BTech in C.R. Reddy College of Engineering in the stream of Information and Technology. I am from Pelakademi. I completed my schooling and junior education in Eluru itself. I had a small nuclear family. I am a keen learner and versatile person. My strengths are I never give up to any question without solving it. My weakness is nervousness doing to start anything new. Thank you, ma'am. It's
Good, Gopi. Very good. Well done. And you forgot to mention hobbies.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can include few hobbies. I also have a couple of hobbies like gardening or something. Just like that, you can add few. Nothing
Okay, ma'am.
wrong.
Okay.
Not few more points, but good. Well done. Okay. Yes. Any compliments and comments for Gopi, please, in the chat box. Yes. Good job, Gopi. Okay, 483 is saying, yeah, well said, Gopi. Very good. Okay, little more preparation and few more points if they are added, it would be much better. Okay, well done. You have taken a chance. That itself is a great achievement. You go ahead, Gopi. You keep trying and little bit, some more things are to be added. Okay? Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right, Gopi. Very good. Thank you.
Okay.
Right. Bye-bye. Next person, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. May I know who's that?
Tejashvi, ma'am.
Hi Tejasvi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also fine, dear. By God's grace. And how are the things going on at your end?
Yeah, ma'am. All are good.
Very good. Okay.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, with pleasure.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Tejashvi Krishnapriya. My native place is Eluru. I am currently pursuing 4th year BTech in the stream of Electronics and Communication in Sir C.R. Reddy College of Engineering. And my strength is my patience, and I'm self-controller. And my weakness is my fear. Because of it, I took this much of time to introduce myself, and I will definitely overcome it. And my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career. And that's it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. Do you feel that you have missed any point?
My hobbies.
Hobbies?
My hobbies are playing shuttle, somewhat cooking, and somewhat with mobile. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so you have prepared, right? You have drafted some points and you have prepared, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can include strengths, you included, weakness also included, and hobbies little bit you missed. And what about family background? Did you say anything, one line at least about the family background?
No, ma'am.
Include at least one line, and you can also write something about extracurricular activities or some project or some games or anything as such, even
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
time of schooling or intermediate. Okay, you might have participated in some science fair or etc. You can include that one statement.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, add that point also. Okay, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Well
Thank you,
done.
ma'am.
Good, good. You have you are trying to work on your weakness. I understood that. We all understood that.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Keep going. Okay, you have already overcome it. Your attempt itself is a reflection that you are overcoming it. Okay, all the best. I want you
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
confident without hesitation anywhere, not only here on this platform, not only in our college, anywhere you go, you should be the first. That's it. That only should be the target. In that way, you go ahead. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
All the
ma'am.
best, my dear. God bless you. Yes, next, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Applause for your, yes, good, Teja. Well done. Very good. Teja is getting good initiation to overcome your fear. Yes, you have put one step ahead, right? Well done, Teja. Right. Very good. Very good. Teja, respond to your compliments, my dear. Perfect. 484. Right. Okay. Thank you all. Right. Very good. Okay, fine. Okay, next. Who's the next one? Next person, please. Can I have the next person? Can I have next person? Why is taking so much of time? You should not. You should be quick. Say, I have given you some more than sufficient time for preparation. And you know, here no fear, like stage fear. Nobody is going to look at you. Nobody is going to, what can I say, criticize you. And no inferiority complex at all. Happily, you are at your home, at a comfort zone, at a safe zone. So you can do it. Why are you hesitating to take so much of, why are you hesitating? I'm not understanding. You should come out. You should come out of that hesitation. You have to give a participation. Then only you can learn. Then only you can learn. Or else, say, learning what you are doing, you people are doing nowadays, not nowadays, from long back with English languages. Like I just tell you, madam, can I do it again? Yes, Sahid. Yes, you can do it. Are you prepared for today? Yeah, Vish. According to your convenience, you can go ahead, Sahid. Okay, right. Then coming to what I want to tell is, all these days, what happened is you have, if I give you 100 books on 100 books on how to ride a bicycle. If I give you 100 books on how to ride a bicycle, and I'll give you 100 days time also to study those books on how to ride a bicycle. Okay, and I mind you, I give you the best authors of the world. Those books, only selected books I'm going to give you, and 100 days time also I'm going to give you. And in the middle, I also conduct written exams on how to ride a bicycle, how to ride a bicycle. Fine. Okay. After 100 days, I conduct exams also. Okay. I conduct Viva also. Right. And after 100 days, 101st day, I take you into the ground and give you bicycle and ask you to ride a bicycle. Can you write? Responses. I'm expecting responses in the chat box. text in the chat box. On 101st day, can you ride a bicycle? No. 571, Varun. Okay, and others? No, no, no. Okay, no, ma'am. Okay, yes. You can't ride a bicycle. Okay, instead, I will take you to the playground or an open area, okay, and give you bicycle and tell you this is the pedal, you put your foot here and you try. In this way you have to, and you try. I will stand aside and you try. After 1 week, if not after 1 week, at least after 2 weeks, for sure, you will be in a position to ride bicycle. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Okay, the same thing you are doing with the language, my dear. You studied in your 10th class, in the schooling, in intermediate, in engineering, but still again you are hesitating to talk in English and hesitating to give your introduction in English. Instead, the second thing what I'm doing is I am trying to give you bicycle and I'm making you to try. Maybe once or twice you might fall down. Of course, it's quite common. We'll get hurted also, right? When we just recollect how you have learned bicycle riding. Did you not fall down? Yes, we will. But definitely, for sure, one fine day you will ride bicycle. Okay, in the same way here also, if you don't learn practically taking the chance and using this platform, if not now, how can you do it? You can't. Maybe in the beginning, once or twice, you may see all the people who have that. Do you think that they are just perfect? I don't say that they are perfectly wrong, completely wrong and perfectly correct. No, everybody goes from perfection to imperfection, right? So why are you hesitating? And how many years still you will be like this without giving your participation, without learning? World is somewhere ahead, my dear. Let me tell you, world is somewhere ahead. We are somewhere back. World is in advance. Let me tell you, world is in advance. We are somewhere. We have to strive to come forward. I'm trying to pull you out to bring you forward. And you people, if your participation is like this, how can we do?
Ma'am, I will introduce myself.
Yeah, yes. May I know who are you?
Anil Kumar, ma'am.
Sorry, I did not get you.
Anil Kumar.
Anil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anil. All the best, Anil. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So you are prepared, Anil?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, you can go ahead, Anil. All the best.
I am Anil Kumar from Rainpalam. I am pursuing my BTech in CRD College of Engineering in the stream of Electronics and Communication. I completed my schooling and college in Elur itself. And we are my family members of four: father, mother, brother, and mine. My strengths are patience to complete any work. My weakness is stage fear. My hobbies are playing shuttle, planting trees, etc. Okay, ma'am. That's
Very good, Anil. Well done. Okay, you can include like my short-term goal is and my long-term goal is. Also, these 2 points also can be included. Well done.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
how
ma'am.
are you feeling, Anil, after telling this?
Fine, ma'am.
Are you happy?
Yes,
Like
yes,
maybe
ma'am.
in the beginning you might be
Yeah.
a bit nervous.
Yes, ma'am.
But now, don't you feel that you have done something useful and successful?
Very useful, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, obviously. And next time, your confidence level still increases when you do so. Very good, Anil. Keep doing.
Okay,
Add
ma'am. Thanks.
short-term goal and long-term goal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, right? Yeah, next person. Thank you. Compliments for Anil. Compliments for Anil, please. Well done. Good job. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Fine. Good. Okay, Anil. Thank you. Bye-bye. Can I have next person?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Sahid. Welcome
Yeah,
back.
ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Prepared well.
Yeah, ma'am, somewhat better. If this time also it's not gone well, I will try another time.
Yes, let me tell you, Sahid, I
Yes, ma'am.
am giving chance to all the final years, if not once, twice, 10 times also I have patience to listen. Because
Yeah,
my
ma'am.
job is that, and it is your right, you have to say. That is
Yeah,
my
ma'am.
responsibility and that is your right, okay? For all the
Yeah,
final year batch, I'm telling you, okay? If you want to tell many times also, no issue at all. Take a chance, take a chance, take a chance. For every chance, there will be some sort of improvement. Go ahead. All the best, Sahid.
yeah, thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself, Sahid Keta. I'm here for a brief introduction about me. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in the stream of computer science from CRR College, and I came from middle class family. My hobbies are playing video games, watching anime, watching movies, and doing some stuff like shuttle and so on. And my strengths, I'm a hard worker, kind hearted, and I'm obedient to elders. And my weakness is whenever I start to watch anime, I can't leave it right at that time. Yeah, that's somewhat weakness. And my present goal is to get a good job in a good reputed company. And my ultimate goal is to become wealthy enough, not like a millionaire, just to have sufficient money for all the needs, and I can able to donate to someone. That's it. Thank you all.
Well done. Well done. Very good, Sahid. Almost
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
have covered your strength, weakness, your objective, you want to get settled, get placed, and everything is almost perfect. Very good, Sahid.
Yeah, ma'am.
A great change from yesterday's presentation, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Sahid. Keep doing. You
Yeah,
will rock it.
yeah.
That's
I
it.
forgot to say about my favorite things. Yeah, my favorite car is Ferrari, and my favorite logo is BMW. My favorite anime is Naruto, and these are my main aspects. I will show many interest, and my favorite company is Samsung. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, as of now, you can include all this, but the last few things, whatever you have said, when you go to the companies, need not tell this. Okay?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Sahib. Well done. I appreciate your dedication that you want to tell in a more better way. I liked it. Very good. Well done. Keep going, Sahib.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next, please. You see, one should have that much of zeal to learn, to do once again. You see, proactive nature. Okay, if not now, such type of people, if not now, after some days, maybe after few days, they will settle. That's it. No issue at all in that. They will settle. They will be absorbed by the companies because they will find out a way to prove themselves. Like Sahib. Okay, it's now your chance to find out your way to prove yourself. Right. Yes. Next person, please. Can I have? Yes. It's good. Elaborate about project and self-introduction. Yeah. But before this, next moving to the next person, shall we have some compliments for Sahid? You can remove this. Take out. Yeah, that's fantastic. Power 56. Great. Okay. Yes. Before we move to the next person, yeah, Sahid, you got very good compliments. Okay. So a question is posed in the chat box. Madam, Is it that we have to mention about project in the self-introduction? You have to. You have to mention about the project in self-introduction. Not only project. In case if you are strong at any technical skill, that also should be mentioned in the self-introduction. It is a must. Okay. Other day when I showed you PPT, in that one of the points is that any training skills and all, any trainings you have attended, any awards and rewards. Okay. Before that, you can tell about the project. I mentioned that already PPT. Somewhere it might have missed. Okay. So you have to mention about projects. So I hope I made myself clear. Number 1270 or somebody has asked this question. Okay, you have to mention about the project. Okay, next one. Yes, can I have the next person, please?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Hi, ma'am. My name is Harika.
Harika. Yes, Harika, welcome.
Mama, wait. Sorry. Wait a minute, ma'am. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry for the wait.
It's okay, Harika, no issue. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I start?
Yes, Harika, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
Okay, very good, very good. I'm also fine. So you are prepared?
Yeah, ma'am.
What are you doing in the at home from long back, from the month of March, April, May? What have you done?
Watching movies a day. I used to watch every day one movie.
Even
just
me
chilling
too.
with my parents. That's it.
Hmm.
Using lots of phone and internet.
Yeah, correct. Because we can't go out feeling
Yeah,
bored,
ma'am.
staying at home. And
That's it, ma'am. Chilling with my parents, and rather than being in terrace in my home, nothing I do.
okay, good. Okay, Harika, good. Shall we go ahead?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I make you people speak before your presentation because there will be a sort of nervousness.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, that only. Okay. So only just for 1 minute, I just make you try to divert and relax you, and then you can take a good start. That's the
Yeah.
my. Okay. Anyhow, go ahead. Ma. All the best.
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is Harika, and I'm from Sir CRD College of Engineering, pursuing my 4th year of BTech in CSC stream. Coming to my family background, my father is a government employee, and my mother is a homemaker. And my sister is working in an MNC company as SAP consultant, and she became a plus point in many ways from many years. And she became my best guide rather than anybody. And coming to my hobbies, I love to sing, I love to dance, and I do some cooking when I'm in stress. I do yoga for flexibility and for my refreshness in my body. Coming to my strengths, I think I'm deterministic about the things I wanted to do in my life. And being an extrovert, I can mingle with the people easily, so that it's not an issue to talk to somebody. And coming to my weakness, I find myself less confidence or something nervousness that's stopping me to talk to somebody. But I still cover it. Even my hands are shaking, my mouth will be confident talking to somebody. I feel that. And my project is that in the lockdown period, I've started doing an online internship, so that I've done an online internship on machine learning. So I'm just a bit confident about it. And my short-term goal is to be happy in the position where I am by fulfilling my dreams. And my long-term goal is to be again happy, just making my dreams into another standard, so that I can be more happy than before. That's it, ma'am.
That's all about me. Thank you.
That's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah. Now a complete landing has done. Very good. Well said. Well said. May I know your good name?
Harika, ma'am.
Harika, well said, Harika. Your language is also good, fluency is also good, and there's a sort of confidence in your language which is reflected, and the preparation is also there. Very good. All the points are almost covered. Very good. Okay. Did you talk something about project or something?
Yeah, ma'am. I've done.
Okay. If you want, you can include. it would be adding to your
Yeah, ma'am.
self-introduction. Okay? Yes, well done. Good, good going. Keep doing like this. You will, and you see, as you have reached this stage, move on to make a video of self-introduction and record it and attach to your mail.
I've done it, ma'am, yesterday.
Okay, ma'am? Because now the trend is that going on.
Okay,
Post-COVID, that is the selection process that you see, we should be out of the crowd, not among the people.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
we should be ahead also. We should be ahead compared to others. We should be one step forward. So how we can do such type of something new you have to do so that we should be ahead. You see, there is all things I'm not telling only to Harika, to the whole batch. To the whole batch, I'm telling my suggestions, whatever I speak is for all the people. Okay. So what you people do is you should move. See, when we want to buy something like boys, if you want to buy a bike, how do you select a bike? Boys, how do you want, if you want to select a bike, on what criteria you buy? What are the things you, specifications, right? Correct. What do you want? What, like, what sort of specifications? Even girls can answer. Mileage, okay. Okay, and capacity, okay, and brand, yes, speed, etc. So you try to search for specifications. If any bike is there which is having a newly added specification, the one step ahead, one step forward than the normal things, don't you prefer that? Don't you prefer to buy that bike which is having little more specifications than all the remaining bikes? Don't you? Yes or no? Can I have an S in the chat box? Obviously, if I am, yes, obviously, correct. If I am in that position to buy something, I search for something which is having the remaining specifications and something added to that, something special. Okay. Obviously, when HR is there, he wanted to select a candidate who is having the normal things, normal specifications. In addition to that, one step ahead, who is the individual who is crossing the line? He will search for that candidate and he will try to prefer that candidate. So you people also, you should also be one step ahead than the crowd. That how can be done? By moving to the latest trends. Now, see, once upon a time, giving a resume hard copy and sending a resume and giving a self-introduction, it was, and it will be also in future. But in addition, other than these specifications, one step ahead, make a video of yours. Video of your self-introduction, just 1 minute or 1.5 minutes only. Understood for the whole class? Hope I made clear why I am preferring. See, always we should be ahead than the crowd. Then we will be having many chances to get placed than other people. So try to go for that. Try to prefer that. You try to have one more specification than the other people. Generally, what people do, they'll have a resume, they'll have that self-introduction will be prepared. Yes, one more added specification. Make a video of yours. Okay? Yes? Okay, fine. Very good. Well done, Harika. Okay, your self-introduction is almost perfect. Keep rocking. Good. God bless you. Can I have some compliments and suggestions for Harika? Well said, Harika. Really, you carried perfect confidence throughout introduction. Yes, very good. Yes. See how beautiful. Well said, Harika. Yes. Harika, keep going like that. Okay. As I told you, the suggestion for everybody, try to take out a video of your own self-introduction, which goes with from 1 to 1.5 minutes of time. It is really a very good, what can I say, gesture to get selected in the interview. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you, Harika. Can I have the next person, please?
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Is my voice is audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is very clear.
Yes.
May I know your name?
Sai Krishna, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello, Sai Krishna. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Very
What
good.
about you?
Yeah, I am also fine. Thank you. Okay, you are prepared, Sai Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you from Eluru?
No, ma'am. I'm from Gunturu.
Good. Okay, very good. Okay. So you are prepared with self-introduction. Now you are going to present it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you are committed to prepare for your career and job hunting. You started your preparation and
Your
striving.
voice is not audible to ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you started your job hunting preparation.
Yes, ma'am. I'm preparing for GATE also.
Very good. 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 Okay, ma. Okay, Sai Krishna. Shall we start?
Okay, ma'am. Shall I
All
start?
the best. All the best.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sai Krishna. I'm from Gunturu. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech fourth year in ECE branch. Coming to my family, my parents are farmers. I'm the only son to my parents. My hobbies are making memes, reading books, watching movies. My strengths are I don't like to waste my time. I use the time very effectively. And weakness are I don't know my weakness. If I know my weakness, I can correct it. And I'm feeling very happy to participate in these soft skills training classes, and it would help me to improve my communication skills. Okay, thank you, man. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Okay, well done, Sai Krishna. Well done. You have made a good attempt.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Do you feel that you have missed anything?
Yes, ma'am. I have missed my goals.
Okay, short-term goal, long-term goal.
Yes,
So according to you, you don't know what is your weakness. You did not identify.
yes, ma'am. If
Okay.
I know weakness, I try to correct it every time.
If you know, you would have corrected it. So as you don't know, you don't need no question of correction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, let me tell you one thing. There is no rule that everybody have to have same response. We have everybody saying in the same way. No, you can be different. But only thing we have to keep in mind is your response should not affect the company. Simple logic. Okay. So
Okay,
anyhow,
ma'am.
well done, Sai Krishna. Okay. And still you add my short-term goal and my long-term goal, those 2 points also of yours, so that it will be a perfect one. And what is the hobbies you have mentioned, by the way?
Making memes, ma'am. I have a meme page. I would like to make memes.
Okay. Okay. So that is your
Yes,
hobby.
yes, and reading books also, ma'am. I read spiritual books and inspirational books.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Compliment for Sai Krishna, please. Well done, Sai. Already you got it. Well done, Sai Krishna. Your work towards a core subject and designing small projects inspires others. Wow. Good. Good attempt, Sai Krishna. I see how positively you are getting responses. Very good.
And thank you, Bharati. And thank you.
For idiot. Okay.
Thank you,
Right.
everyone.
Okay. Ma'am. Next person. Can I have next person, please? Yeah, I have a small question. We continue again. We continue after just 10 minutes. I just want to ask you a question. Do anybody know what is a digital CV? What is a digital CV? Any idea? Response in the chat box. Any idea what is a digital CV? Okay, fine. No idea? Okay, no issue. In online. Okay, what online? Niharika, what in online? I did not get you. CV which is in PDF or document is a digital CV? Okay. Okay. And video record of skills self-introduction. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I'll just try to show you the glimpse of what, just tell you what is digital CV. Let me tell you one thing, all final year students. You want to be out of the crowd and you want to be in the first line of the selection process, right? So if you are really in that, moving in that pace, so you should go with digital CV. I tell you what is digital CV. Let me share a screen. Um, is it visible? Is my screen sharing now? Response, please. Anybody in the chat box able to? Yes, very good. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Okay, right. Thank you. Right. Now, so let me just tell you what is it is being a soft skill trainer. It's my responsibility to tell you what is a digital CV and what you are supposed to do with this and why it is needed. It is needed because, as I told you, you should be in advance, you should be updated. Okay, so I thought that this should be shared with final year, exclusively with the final year students, because within a short span of time your job hunting is going to be started. Keeping in that mind, I just collected a little bit of information about this digital CV. Let me read out and explain what it is. According to a recent survey, some 42% of students don't think the traditional paper CV is enough to cut it in the modern jobs market. Is my voice audible? Chat box, please. Response in the chat box. Is my voice audible? Yes, ma. Thank you. Okay. Then I can continue, or else it again goes waste. Right. So, then don't think that traditional paper CV is enough. Don't think that the traditional CV is enough to cut the modern jobs market. If you want to get placed in the company, only traditional CV paper is not sufficient. What else is required? Let us see. With more people than ever before switching jobs, taking career breaks, and even changing professions entirely, careers aren't as straightforward as they used to be. So, getting placed in the companies is not as straightforward as it used to be previously. The job market has changed, and that means your CV needs to change too. As the style of selection, especially COVID, okay, during the time of now COVID, as the job market has changed, CV needs to undergo some changes. But how? A digital CV could be the answer for this. So, what exactly is a digital CV? What exactly is a digital CV and do you really need one? Let us see what exactly it is. Popular with recruiters, you may have heard the term digital CV before, but not be quite sure what it means. The fact is that a digital CV can come in many forms and is so much more than simply an electronic version of your CV. People think that digital CV means what is there, a soft copy. No. In addition to that, something is there. Let us see what is almost like that only, but the approach or the presentation little bit changes. Let us see in what way. Okay. Then it is a way of demonstrating your skills and experience to employers that goes beyond a simple rundown of your previous roles. the largest professional network in the world, LinkedIn. Okay, I hope everybody knows about this LinkedIn. A speed response in the chat box, or you need me to explain what is LinkedIn? Yes, thank you. Okay, just like Facebook and all, this LinkedIn is also, yes, okay, I'm happy that, again, I did not explain what is LinkedIn again. So, this LinkedIn is the largest professional network, my dear students. Get into your brain. This is the takeaway point of today's takeaway point is this LinkedIn, just like how like Facebook and Twitter, etc., all are there. Okay, this LinkedIn is the largest professional network. Mind you, it is best. Today's my suggestion for you is better you have an account of LinkedIn, because nowadays all the recruiters, all the company recruiters, HR are looking at LinkedIn to find the people. If your resume is there in the LinkedIn, then you are having more chances than other people. I hope I made myself clear. Okay, let me tell you once again. LinkedIn is just like a Facebook and Twitter, etc. You should have an account in that, and you have to update your CV, a digital CV in the LinkedIn. Okay, because LinkedIn is the largest professional network. Okay, people who wanted good candidate with a good resume and a good worthy candidate. Okay, they are looking at LinkedIn for the sake of CVs. From there they are selecting. So better, first of all, you have an account of LinkedIn. Okay, then coming back where we are, right? Yeah, the largest professional network in the world, LinkedIn, is the place to start when turning your CV digital. Creating a profile on LinkedIn could be simple, while recently added features enable you to include videos, online portfolios, and recommendations. Okay, in order to have a digital CV, you should give the recommendations, either the HOD or some faculty or your project leader or somebody else should give the recommendation of yours. You have to add that also. Okay, and of course, a LinkedIn profile isn't the type of a digital. Just a minute. Let me allow people who are waiting in room. Right. Digital career to this. Sorry. Of course, LinkedIn profiles isn't the only type of a digital CV you can have. The sky really is the limit here, and many professionals are starting to get really creative. Okay, from creating a mock-up Facebook profiles that detail a career to displaying skills and experience in an infographic style. Take this word into your brain. Let me repeat this word once again. Your digital CV should be included with infographic style. Hope you are able to get this. Okay, your digital CV should be with infographic style. Whatever you are giving the information, it should be represented in the pictorial and different ways. Okay, infographic style visual. A digital CV can help you to really stand out of the crowd, as I said. Hope you're able to follow me. Hope you're with me, right? Okay, so in order to be out of the crowd, in order to be ahead than others, okay, you should have this digital CV in which you will have the infographics. You should use infographics and you should update that in the LinkedIn. Then note, everyone will be capable of producing a well-designed graphic, and it won't be appropriate for some careers. So an easy to make alternative to create your own website. Okay, you should be in a position to create, you see, specifications. I told you, when you want to buy a bike, general specifications every bike will have, but you should have something more special. Create a website of your own. Okay, create your digital CV, upload in the LinkedIn. Okay, you have an what can I say, login ID in the LinkedIn. These are the things which you are in advance than others. Be in advance. When something is useful, do it. What are you going to lose now? Okay, you're not going to lose anything. So So not everyone will be capable of producing a well-designed graphic, and it won't be appropriate for some cases. Okay. So an easy to make alternative is to create your own website. There are plenty of online tools that allow you to build attractive websites in a matter of minutes. So this is the thing what exactly I want to convey to you. Okay. See, my dear students, the same thing, whatever you are presenting in the CV, you are presenting in a different way. The same content is the same in a different way by using the latest technology. Just by using latest technology, you are doing that, like infographics and all. Okay, you can have a view of few digital CVs, and then you can make your own digital as you are. See, COVID has blessed you with so much of leisure time. So avail that leisure time in updating yourself by with this digital CV with infographics, and create an account in LinkedIn and do it. And you see, continuation is there, a matter of minutes, which are a great way of housing all your achievements. You can include all your achievements in that, skills and experience in one place that employers can view quickly and easily. I told you, no, LinkedIn. If you upload, employers will search for the things whatever they want in your digital resume, digital CV. For what? For your skills. So you are presenting your achievements, skills and experience in that, and when employer wants, when he opens, he will get the right candidate for him. Okay, a LinkedIn profile is the very minimum you should be doing. See where we are. So a LinkedIn profile is the very minimum you should be doing, while a dedicated website is a great way to convey a large amount of information in an easy to digest way. See, when you have a website, you know, when you people, see, even our college is having its own website. In the same way, what does that contain? The details of the college. What does your website contain? Details of the candidate. That is you. Okay, it is easy way to digest. When the employee opens that, immediately he will get the information. Ready-made information will be available. Okay, and show off your digital skills. See, if you have a digital resume itself, it means that you are having digital skills. Let me tell you. Okay, you prepared. You are having your website. You are having your own what can I say, digital CV. Then it means that you are digitally skilled. No need to again mention that. It is taken for granted and it is understood, my dear students, at the same time. Okay, so you can, it is information in an easy way to digest and show off your digital skills at the same time. A flashy visual CV won't work for everyone, but everyone should be trying to stand out from the crowd in the digital world. In order to stand out of the crowd, in order to be in the front line in the during the time of selection process, you know, you should have this digital CV, right? My one of the favorite quotations: don't do different things, do things differently. You know whose is this? Shiv Khera statement. Okay, you are not doing anything different. Whatever you have written in your resume and CV, the same thing you are doing. But how are you doing? You are doing differently. Don't do different things, but do the same things differently. Okay, with this note, today I want to close this session with a very important takeaway point. So your next task is, of course, we'll have the in my continuation class. Next class, I'm going to have a few more self introductions from you. Okay, please get prepared, and along with that, you make your digital CV. Okay, you create an ID you create your login ID in LinkedIn. You include the infographics in your digital CV. That is the next target, to be out of the crowd. So with this takeaway point, hope I made myself clear. Let me just have a feedback of the last 10 minutes of my talk. Is it useful? If you feel, please text in the chat box. Text in the chat box. Can I have some responses? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, madam, it is useful. You say you have to get updated, right? So as a soft skill trainer, it's my responsible, valuable information, ma'am, right? Okay, it's my responsibility to enlighten you regarding this, and I want my students to be ahead, not in the crowd. Ahead the crowd. Okay, you have to stand in the front line during the time of selection process. Okay, so with this intention, with this takeaway point, I made myself clear what is your next target. Okay, so along with preparation for self-introduction, you should also focus on digital CV. Right, ma'am? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable information. Okay, fine, my dear students. So let's wind up the session with today's takeaway point, and I am expecting few more students very fastly giving self-introduction in the next class. With this positive note, let's call it a day. Have a nice time. Bye bye. You can leave. Sorry.